Good morning, Anu. You want to make your career in airport as a customer service in IGI. So, do you know the work profile of customer service?
Airline customer service involves providing support to the airport customers before the flight, during the flight, and after the flight. Typical duties can involve assistance with bookings, reservations, processing boarding passes, and manage check-ins.
Introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Anu. The meaning of my name is Lord Shiva. I am 22 years old. I belong to Hisar in Haryana. As for my education is concerned, I have completed my graduation by Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology in Hisar, Haryana. As for my hobbies, I can state that I love traveling and meet with new people as well as exploring new culture. As for my strength, I can say that I am a night owl. I am very comfortable to complete my important work till late night. As for my weakness, that is I cannot say no to anyone for help. So this is all about from my side. So if you have any query, you are welcome. Thank
You belong to Haryana. Can you tell something about it?
So Haryana's culture is reflective of its folklore. The rich Haryanvi culture is characterized by the hookahs and charpoys, different fairs, swaying paddy fields, and Haryana is one of the wealthiest state in India and is one of the most economically developed region in South Asia.
Why should we select you?
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I will justify your selection by working honestly and sincerely, and I really need this opportunity to show my strength. And if you select me, sir, I will never disappoint you. I will try my best and work hard to fulfill all the company needs from me.
ऑनलाइन वे मुझे फील दैट्स सो स्वीट सर एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड मेरे अंदर जो स्किल्स इम्प्रूव कर
Hello, ma'am.
Welcome to PD classes.
I want to go for an interview of air hostess.
Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Sir, through YouTube.
आपको इना अभी तो आपका सेकंड डे ही है आज. हाउ आर यू?
Sir, I'm feeling very good.
ओके. और क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? अरविंद को कैसे मालूम चला यहाँ के बारे में? हिना बिलोंग नाउ हिना इज स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली. यस. Previously she belonged to Patna और अरविंद इज फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु. सो अमित अरविंद व्हाट आर योर व्यूज? कैसा लगा ऑनलाइन? अच्छा.
So I came to know those ICC people. There are a lot of with underseat and John sir.
Okay. So how do you feel this online course, Mr. Arvind?
Yes, sir, it was very super, sir, and it was a very nice experience to interact with different states like Maharashtra, Bihar, and Rajasthan, and exploring the cultures of the different states. It is very amazing, sir, and awesome.
Okay, Arvind, you are not only dealing with students all over India. We have a student from Dubai also. Surya is attending class from Dubai. And person who is sitting, Srinivas, her daughter is here. Srinivas is from Germany. Srinivas sir, say hello to everybody.
Hello everyone.
Srinivas sir is from Germany. He is attending this class from Germany.
Yeah, I just.
How do you find the classes? कैसा लगा ऑनलाइन कोर्स? कैसा लग रहा है?
So the classes are very well. It's interactive and it's going to give a good conference to everybody that they can speak so they can communicate in a very makes them everybody that very confident and they can even do better in interviews. It's making it helpful for them everybody.
Thank you. Your views from Germany will definitely motivate us more. और what about our kid सूर्या? हमारा दुबई बॉय कैसा लग रहा है दुबई बॉय को?
Sir, the classes are going very well.
Okay. And what about our fairy girl, Gitika? Gitika, Carol girl. Gitika कैसा लग रहा है?
It is very very nice.
तो ज्यादा पूछने का जरूरत नहीं है, सुप्रीता के व्यूज लेते हैं. यस सुप्रीता,
Yes, sir.
अबाउट द कोर्स, हाउ यू कम टू नो एंड हाउ आर यू फीलिंग नाउ?
Sir, I am feeling very confident before because confidence की बहुत कमी थी. Interact होते people से तो ज़्यादा confidence आती है.
ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट प्रिया?
Yes, sir.
प्रिया का व्यूज क्या है और कैसे पता चला क्या ऑनलाइन कोर्स का और इसका, और अब व्यूज क्या है प्रिया के अबाउट द कोर्स?
मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा व्यू है सर, बट अब सोच रहे इतना दिन से क्यों नहीं मैं ज्वाइन की थी.
अरे वाह. और व्हाट अबाउट प्रतिमा? प्रतिमा के व्यूज क्या है भाई?
बहुत अच्छे क्लासेस है सर.
थैंक यू प्रतिमा. प्रतिमा हमारी क्लास महाराष्ट्र की.
मेरे में कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ग्रो हो चुका है.
ओके, और हाउ यू कम टू नो अबाउट पीडी क्लासेस प्रतिमा? यस.
यस सर, जब से मैंने ज्वाइन किया है तब से मेरे में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस ग्रो हो चुका है सर.
ओके प्रतिमा.
पहले मैं
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
हाँ सर.
आप बोलिए पहले, फिर बोलता हूँ मैं.
पहले मैं ज्यादा बोला नहीं करती थी, लेकिन अब मैं जो भी कॉन्फिडेंसली बोलती हूँ.
ओके, और व्हाट अबाउट द व्यूज ऑफ सनिया देन सूर्या? वेट सूर्या, वी हैव सीन योर हैंड रेज, डोंट वरी, हमने देख लिया आपका हाथ, अब आप वापस रख दीजिए. सनिया, व्हाट आर योर व्यूज?
Sir, I want to ask something.
सर मेरे भी
वेट. हाँ जी सनिया बोलिए.
मेरे व्यूज बहुत ही अच्छे हैं.
ओके.
जो कि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जब आई थी तो मैं कुछ भी बोल नहीं पाती थी.
ओके.
क्लासेस में जीडी
Right.
टॉपिक में काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है.
राइट.
क्लासेस.
सूर्या, you want to ask?
Sir, my dad wants to ask something.
Yes sir, please. Hello sir.
Hi sir, good afternoon.
How are you?
Good morning.
We are very lucky we come to know that you are here on. It's great.
Yeah, no. Here it's only 9 o'clock. My duty will start at around.
Dubai it is 9 o'clock right now.
Yes, 90 minutes behind India time. It's GMT plus 4 here.
Okay. And sir, how Surya is performing?
So far so good. I just want to to ask you two doubts. When the interviewer asks, "How are you, Surya?" he can say, "I'm fine," and he can ask back, "What about you, sir?" like that.
He can ask in interview.
Yeah, interview.
No sir, in interview he can't ask.
So only he should limit to that. I'm fine.
Limit. Yes sir, I'm only this. When you are coming India, sir?
One more thing I just want. So I'll be traveling
to India.
Yeah. That is what few things I just want to inform you. So night the flight will be. So day after tomorrow daytime, Surya will be for the class.
No problem.
The Wednesday.
No problem,
sir.
sir.
I just want to ask you is that will give guidance regarding the body language also, right?
100%.
Okay, thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Wishing all the best for all of your candidates who are now in the meeting.
Lo bhai, say thank you.
Thank you sir.
Have a good day.